boy. Oh, come here. Oh, I like him. Oh, look at that. Hi, everyone. I made it home. Say hi to Ian. Say hi to Mom. Oh, she's over there. Say hi to Merlin. Merlin! Oh, puppy. Ah, stop it. I'm glad to be home. Glad to be home indeed.
Hi, Doodles. Hi, puppy.
I'm not sure how many posts I'm going to make while I'm here, but for the time being, I'm going to enjoy some real California cuisine. Signing off. See you in a month.